we can't shower today. Hey guys, it's Friday night and Phil and I are matching. We don't mean to be matching, but I've got dirty hair and I need to wear a cap.
We are ambassadors of Adidas.
So you copied me because I wanted to buy this and then you wanted to buy it too.
But I was already wearing this outfit.
Yeah, but I was always going to put this on.
Oh yeah, and I was meant to know that.
I'm making potato salad for a little housewarming we have tomorrow. So here's the potatoes. Some of them are overcooked, but hopefully it'll still be okay. I've got eggs, because what's potato salad without eggs? Chives and some bacon. And there we have it. 2 big bowls of potato salad. I hope everyone eats this. Hey guys, it's Saturday and we are having a housewarming here. So we've actually got a few separate housewarmings, but this one is the biggest one. All of Phil's friends are coming and our family as well. So we're expecting about 35 people today, which will be interesting. But we're just setting up now. So we got these donuts for some dessert, but most of the food today will be like barbecue food. There's another box as well. So we have tubs of drinks because we don't have enough eskies. Very classy. We need to bring this barbecue up these stairs, around here, and up these stairs. So that should be interesting. It's Sunday and it's later in the day, so we've already been to church, we have done our groceries, and we've had a client meeting, and we've had an early lunch, and now we are back home and we basically need to spend the rest of the day cleaning the house. So as you know, we had one of our housewarmings yesterday. It's the biggest one we'll have in this round of housewarming parties, and basically you've got to clean all the floors, we've got to clean the barbecue, do a bunch of boring things like that, but I'm going to vlog it anyway. Finally done with cleaning the house, and that means it is donut time. So we bought these donuts for yesterday, and there's one left, so we're going to treat ourselves. So this is a Nutella donut and they're delicious, especially when you warm them up.
Do we use champagne glasses? Maybe we should pack them away.
And put them where?
In the corner here. At least we know.
Oh no!
At least we know where it is.
No!
Yeah, maybe pack up the champagne glasses.
I am preoccupied right now.
It's failed.
Damn it. Did you have one yesterday?
Yum. That's it though.
Hey guys, it's Friday and we've got people over again. This is I guess, housewarming part 2. We had leftover sausages from the barbecue last time, so I've turned them into sausage rolls, but like literally sausage wrapped in pastry with some onion, caramelized onion in there. So I should have really vlogged it beforehand. All you can see is me, but it's in there, in the oven. And I made some guac. Let's see. So here's the guac. Doesn't look great. This is Benji's recipe, which I've been following for quite a few years now. And I also made sticky date pudding, and I've made 2 batches. So that's ready to go, ready to be thrown in the oven. Also, we can't shower today. We are going to go for a whole day without showering because why?
Huh? No, we are showering.
Why are we not allowed to shower?
I'm not even.
Huh? Why are we not allowed to shower?
Because our shower, the silicone edges were a little damaged, so I decided to redo it. Bit of DIY, but...
DIY? Bit of DIY?
DIY?
So what happened was Phil basically scraped off the old silicone before he really stopped to think how long the new silicone would take to dry. And it was too late before he realised you're supposed to leave for 72 hours, but we're not going to go 72 hours without showering. But it means I can't shower today. That's gross.
No, they said most of the time you can use the shower after 10, but it's not going to be fully cured until
well, yeah,
4 hours. So.
But it's not even 10 hours, so like it wouldn't even be 10 hours, so we basically can't shower. And I was totally planning to wash my hair tonight.
Shower
my hair is so dirty.
1 AM later.
I'm not showering at 1 AM. I'll be sound asleep in bed by then.
No, you can.
So we have 15 people coming over, so we've got these little fob chairs. Comment down below if you or your parents have these chairs, or you at least recognise them, because I would really like to know. These are from Phil's parents.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So these are actually from our very first house, which I moved out of that house when we were, I think I was like 13 years old or so. Because look, it has number 82, which was the number of our house.
Oh, why did you have to put your house number on it?
I don't know.
Maybe because like everyone on the street had those chairs.
I know, my parents did it. So.
Hey guys, it's the next day now, and we did end up showering because everyone ended up staying till quite late, which we totally didn't expect, but it was definitely a good thing. Because I guess it just means that we're all enjoying ourselves. But I thought that we'd all be like, we would have finished by 10:30, but people didn't leave till about midnight. And by the time we cleaned and everything, I went to bed at 1:30. So it's been a while since then.
We had enough hours for the bathroom to dry.
Yeah. So right now we're going to a client meeting. We're going to do groceries, have lunch, but then we're going to go to the city and just have a day out there because it's a really nice day. It's 18 degrees, which is really good for winter. So we're just going to go shopping.
Just hang out.
Hang out.
Chill out. City chills.
Yeah. We have arrived in the city.
Yes.
You know you're old when you're excited about a day out in the city.
Yes. Boring.
But I have a question to ask you guys. Do you think I should cut my hair? I feel like I'm definitely overdue for a haircut. What do you think, babe?
It's okay. But if you want it shorter.
Too long? I don't even know if I know how to style my hair properly yet. I don't think I've mastered the like curl waves. Don't you think? So we just dropped off, well, we're going to drop off 2 pairs of shoes to clean, but turns out my ones are not salvageable and they're one of my favourite sneakers, so I'm going to have to try and find the exact same pair for the same price, which was only about $40. So that's disappointing, but I guess we're shopping today. need the dun dun dun.
Dun dun dun. Yeah.
When I get a nice backpack that looks something
You already have a
like
backpack.
this. No, that's bigger that I can put my laptop in.
You already found one.
No, but like a bit dressy.
Okay, off to the red section we go. How many things do you have there?
I don't even know.
How many?
I'm about to drop them.
What? Just because it's your favourite place, you don't need to like go crazy.
It's just 40% off, babe. This is like the favourite side.
Your favourite sign.
What do you think? I think I must be into grey and pink right now.
So, how successful were you? Look how big that bag is.
That's very good value. All the chunky stuff, and it's only $143.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. So we got to do the trifecta. The trifecta is Uniqlo, Chic, and
Muji.
no,
Oh, what's the third one then?
Zara.
Zara. Oh yeah, for you anyway. Not for me.
Not in sync.
No. Get that at Kmart.
I was thinking Dyson. It's nice, but you never wear any of your other clothes. You have like about 5 others of those in your wardrobe.
I reckon in that colour.
You got nothing like it. Your grandma too. Snack time.
I don't know which one's which.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Had a very successful shop. Bought lots of things. Only one thing was for the house.
Now we're refreshed.
So we've unloaded our stuff and we're going again. We're going to check out Hawker tonight for dinner, which is this sort of fancy food court thing that everyone's been going to. Hopefully there aren't too many queues. No wait at all.
No.
Looks like the hype has died down.
Yeah, sure.
Big time. Which is good for us. So this lobster roll's a little bit smaller than we thought. You can't really, yeah, there we go. Does that give perspective? It's definitely not the same size as the lobster roll we had in London.
It's made for kids.
It's like just a little bit bigger than a canapé. That looks good.
I think we gotta.
And this looks good.
I think we gotta order some more food.
Yes. Babe, we have enough food. So, what did we think, babe?
Pretty good.
Yeah, I liked it.
Chocolate Delta.
And the lobster roll. Lobster roll was delicious, but like just slightly bigger than a slider.
Yeah. I'm not sure if you saw in the footage, Dinah Chan was actually inside the kitchen.
Yeah, and she's ex-master chef.
Yes.
Australia.
So she's like famous person.
Hey guys, it's the next day. We've got our coffee on our way to church. We're going to the later service today because I felt like sleeping. And we had a very, or I should say, I had a very successful shop yesterday. I bought lots of things. They were all on sale. So definitely want to film a haul. Probably don't have time to do it this weekend, but I reckon I'll film it next weekend. And it's probably going to be a big one because I've got other things to include in that one as well. So keep an eye out.
With you so much shopping, we had to go back to the car to drop it off first and then go again.
Well, we weren't meant to go again, and then I bought more stuff. So I have just found coffee table book heaven. How amazing. This is a cute little one. This looks awesome too. I want to get this one. Vogue. That's not too bad. Perfect coffee table book material.
55.
Oh, that's alright. Should we get this one?
Yeah,
Kate Spade. Alright, so we're going to get these two coffee table books. Do you want to show? This fashion book, nice and thick, $50. And this Kate Spade one. It's slightly more than the $7 we paid in our last coffee table book haul. Hey guys, just coming on here because I forgot to end the vlog, so don't forget to thumbs up and let me know in the comments which part of this vlog you guys enjoyed watching most, because I'm sort of trying to figure out what you guys enjoy watching, so I'll make sure that I vlog more of it next time. So let me know and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!